Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and season greetings to everybody out there in YouTube Nation. Today I'm going to be showing you how I sewed down this U-part wig that I'm rocking. This hair is from the Gold Noble Bohemian, super bohemian style, and this is the style givenchy. I actually used this hair in my prior video where I did my ponytail. I'll link it here in the video so you can check it out before or after, whichever one you prefer. I did not use the crochet method after I sewed down this U-part. I did a flip over method. It is a method that I personally came up with. So if you are interested to see how I did this method, I did it already in January when I did a U-part wig as well. So if you are interested to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. This is the Noble Golden Super Bohemian Givenchy curl, and this is how the U-part wig, that I made with the Noble Golden Bohemian hair, the Givenchy hair that I used for my ponytail in my prior sleek ponytail video. I'll link it here in the video so you can check it out. This is how the curls. I'm also going to be using this other bundle of hair, so when I do install my U-part wig, I'll have this portion. I actually used 4-pack of this hair to make the wig because I wasn't sure if 3 packs would have done it, so I went with 4 packs. This is my braiding pattern that I'm going to be using. These are my anchor braids, right? I'm going to be sewing down this side. can see, I went in to style my hair with my Gorilla Snot. This is like my holy grail gel when it comes to all hairstyles. And the hair that I use is this hair. You would have seen it in my prior video if you watched my ponytail video. I'll link it here in the video so you can check it out. This is the Gold Noble Super Bohemian weave, and I got it in the style Givenchy, and I actually used 4 packs of hair to make this unit. I know it's a bit thick, so if you love thick hair, this is actually the style for you. So yeah, this is the end result, you guys. I hope you love it as much as I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.
Well, okay, yeah. Shawty move to the best one. Baby, give me that sweet touch. I can't deny this loving, 'cause he's so damn strong. And when you sing on the bed, girl, you me cha-cha, oh.